Okay guys, let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need 1 pound of ground meat of your choice, green onions, celery, almond or coconut flour, mayonnaise, onion powder, garlic powder, sea salt, ground black pepper, and buffalo wing sauce. You're going to want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, you're going to want to chop both your celery and your green onions very finely. Now in a large mixing bowl, you're going to want to go ahead and combine the celery and onions with a tablespoon of coconut flour, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, sea salt, and ground pepper, along with your ground beef. With everything combined, you're now going to want to take your greased cookie sheet and roll out your meatballs. Now that you're done with your meatballs, go ahead and place them in the oven for 15 minutes. Once your meatballs are done cooking, take a skillet on medium heat and use 1 cup of buffalo sauce in the pan, and then place your meatballs in there and just get everything coated. And there you have it, Keto Buffalo Meatballs on cauliflower rice.